Hello friends, CEO of famous MOOC platform EDX, Ananta Agrawal says online education is like a rising tide. It's going to lift all boats. Friends, sky has no limits. As same to our education and learning, we should not stop our learning. We can say learning is a sign of life. Welcome to all. I am Pradeep Khairnar. Today I am going to share with you various online platforms for MOOC courses. Friends, as courses mentioned by our sharp respected Ashok Chavan sir in our August Shikshan Parishad, I have just completed the course teaching phonics in early childhood and got the certificate from Queensland University of Australia. You can also got this type of certificate. So friends, here question arises, what is MOOCs? MOOC is nothing but a acronym of Massive Open Online Courses. These courses are open and online. So how can we access these courses? What are the various platforms for accessing MOOC courses? Friends, we have lots of platforms like Swayam, FutureLearn, EDX, Coursera, Great Learning, Udemy and Ignis. So let us look at this. Friends, you can consume these MOOC courses through sign up on the register website of that platform. Let us go to the FutureLearn platform. FutureLearn. Friends, I have already registered myself on this website. So you have to register first and then log in and you can access your course. Friends, you can search in search bar, you can search any courses here but before that you can go through these tabs also. Subject, by tapping on subject you can get these all subjects: boredom busting courses, business and management, healthcare and medicine, teaching courses, and lots of short-term courses are there also there. Online degrees and diplomas also there. And here is the guideline for using FutureLearn. How does it works? Our educational partners. Why learn with FutureLearn? FutureLearn reviews. Friends, if you want to learn course something new course in language, you can just type here English language course. So you can get the list of 43 courses. Friends, lots of courses are paid and lots of courses are free here. I will type here, if you want to get the certificate you should type here free English language courses free certificate. Then I am going to search. I found 2 results for English language course free certificate: preparing for PT Academy, improve your IELTS speaking score. Friend, if you want another courses or if you want to learn free courses, you can get the number of free courses here. Free courses, you will find so many courses. All result 140 courses are free with certificate. You can upgrade that courses on a free cost. You can find, friends, lots of courses are related to our profession here. Just take a look at this: teaching computing, how to teach online. I think this is very interesting course and this will be very useful for us. Courses, these have 12 courses: how to create great online content. I am going to this course. Friends, here it is mentioned that free digital upgrade. That means you need not to pay single rupee to this to accessing this course. Friends, now join now. Yes, I have joining now. And so how to create great learning content. So go to course. Friends, I am going to this course. You will find the course map here. If you want to download that map, I don't want to download now. So you can access this course from here. From to-do list you can get the all the topics or all the modules of this course. This course is for 2 weeks, so I am going to second week. In second week you have to learn all these topics, and here in 2.14 test your understanding, you have to give test, and after passing the test you can get your certificate, friend. After tapping here on your profile and your learning and your achievement, you can find your certificate. I have just completed one course solving problems with technology, University of Leeds, and I got this certificate. So if you want to learn this type of course, you have to access this type of platform. Okay, so let us take a look at the another platforms. Friends, we have some courses. We can access some courses on app also: Udemy, Great Learning, Coursera, edX, Swayam and Ignoo. But you have to first register or sign up first, and you can log in and you consume your course. We are going to famous platform Coursera. I am opening this app, and this is our home page of this app. I can find various topics here, and I am going to search Excel course. You will get this type of result: Excel fundamentals. Enroll for free. I am going to enroll myself for this course. Excel fundamental for data. So if you want certificate, you have to pay 5,194. But if you don't want to paid rupees or money, you can just enroll or for free without a certificate, and you can access your course. For on tapping on week 1, you can access the course material of week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay guys,